This is our group design project on the design of a battery cooling system for electric vehicles. Lithium-ion batteries are critical energy storage devices, especially for electric vehicles application. The battery performance is affected by temperature. To maintain battery health and performance, preventing thermal runaway, we developed a battery cooling system that maintains and cools battery operating temperature. We proposed a hybrid battery cooling system. It uses both passive air cooling and tap cooling methods to maintain even temperature distribution. Surrounding air passes through the cells via the slits in the module casing and exits through a converging funnel. For tap cooling, a pump circulates the liquid coolant through the system via a large aluminum pipe. The coolant cools the battery taps as it flows in the copper pipes running past them. These copper pipes then exchange heat with the refrigeration loop. In this system, there are two groups of battery modules that are arranged in 2 rows of 4. They are secured on a module housing frame. The proposed battery module consists of 12 pouch cells. Aluminium is the proposed material for commercial manufacturing of the cell housing. There are evenly spaced gaps in between the cells to promote airflow. The main components are the coolant pipes, module cover, and the cell housing. There are slits on top of the housing to hold the cells upright, along with its groove base. Following from the proposed design concept, we further optimized its design parameters. 1D cell electron chemistry was modeled and 3D CFD simulation study was performed. 3 optimization parameters, which are coolant flow rate, pipe diameter, and cell spacing, were identified and parametric sweep study was done. Through CFD simulation, we evaluated our hybrid cooling system's performance with other variants of cooling systems and our reference cooling system from the Nissan Leaf module. The evaluation was performed under 2 conditions: practical driving conditions using WLTP drive cycle and stationary fast charging application of 1C and 2C. Our proposed system successfully maintained cell operating temperature in both of these studies. To conclude, this project is successful as our proposed hybrid battery cooling system and battery module design DC1 offers excellent temperature control, lowering thermal runaway risk. A more powerful and flexible system such as our design will become increasingly vital as EV battery capacities increase and fast charge technology becomes more popular.